Hello all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This is the 75th anniversary of independence for us, and on this auspicious occasion, I am really happy to introduce my startup KITES Group. And the main motto of KITES Group is to reach millions of students and millions of kids by providing STEM education. STEM is nothing but science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. What we are going to do is we are going to build several science experiment kits through which students can learn the concepts and the principles of science in a practical approach. So we are going to build these kits through research, design, and fabrication, and the same will be learned by the students so that they can fulfill the core concept of understanding of scientific aspects. So let's meet in the next video with a small experiment, probably the kinetic sculpture. So by the way, this is Stalin Pathan, the CTO at KITES Group. Thank you.